Hey there, gang. Today I'm in the process of transplanting blackberry bush out in my front yard. Why don't you come plant with me? So the first thing I'm going to be doing is removing all of these lava rock that is in the flower bed where I'm going to be placing this blackberry. So what I'm doing is actually just using a garden trowel to get these lava rocks up out of the way so that I can put the new bush down in their place. But don't worry, I'm not getting rid of these lava rocks, as blackberries really prefer a well-draining soil, so this will definitely help with it. Not to mention they'll be adding aeration to the soil as well. So now the blackberry in question that we're going to be placing out today is what's called a Twilight Blackberry. This is going to give us some nice, deep blackberries with a really good sweet taste to them. If you're choosing to plant a blackberry, you want to make sure you pick a location in your yard or wherever you may be planting that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight. And that's going to pretty much apply for most of your berry species. Once you've picked a location that you want to plant your blackberry, make sure that you dig a hole that is at least twice the circumference of where the root ball is. Now, before I place the blackberry in its hole, I'm going to add a little bit of wood chips down at the bottom of the hole. Reason being is this location during the last drought dried out a pine tree I had. So I want to make sure that we get a little bit of moisture retention for the blackberry when it gets its new home. So I'm going to be also adding those lava rocks back into the hole as well for the improved drainage, not to mention the aeration, as well as minerals that it's going to provide to the plant. So as I start adding the soil back in to the hole for the blackberry, I want you to look at this. This is a nice sandy loam mixture of soil here. So I won't be adding any additives or fertilizers to this plant because blackberries actually do very well here in North Texas. Plus, with all the rain that we've been getting this season, I think this plant with the added wood chips down at the bottom will stay very well hydrated. And now that we got our blackberry in position, we're just going to give her a little bit of a drink. She's gone through a lot. We don't want to get transplant shock or anything like that. So we want to hydrate her really good. When establishing a new tree or a new bush, it's always good to make sure that you keep them moist for that first year until they really establish themselves. All right, now that we got our blackberry in place, something I want you to take into consideration should you choose to add blackberries to your food forest. Blackberries are considered highly invasive. So with that being said, if you're planning to plant them, make sure that you plant them in a controlled location because it's very hard to control and they grow extremely fast. But for me, the location that I've established my blackberries is in an elevated raised bed that I should be able to control fairly well. But that's a risk I'm willing to take. So, all right, guys. Today I showed you how to transplant a blackberry bush into your food forest. And I talked a little bit about its invasive nature. If you found this information helpful, make sure you share it with a friend or maybe even throw me a like. I hope you appreciated your time here because I definitely appreciated my time with you. And as always, remember, enjoy life, enjoy family, and enjoy your garden. I'll see you guys later.